And today we're starting out by just letting ourselves loose. Permit me to use the word. Jesus said, loose the man and let him go. I am doing this exercise with the intention that a lot of us probably have not started exercising actively. So I'm doing this with a mindset of the fact that there are beginners here, maybe advanced people, but this will be able to serve everybody no matter what fitness level you are. All right, so let's set our intentions right to have a great time while we exercise. Well, during this boot camp, the kind of exercises we're going to be doing are somewhat therapeutic. Sometimes it might challenge us, but we may not be jumping all over the place, but it's going to be very beneficial and really, really, really impactful, touching, into the deep tissues and in your body. So we have to learn to breathe through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, or you can blow out, or you can exhale through your nose, whatever feels comfortable for you. Pay attention to the cues that I gave as we exercise, and very importantly, try as much as possible to stay with the form. The form of everything you do when you exercise is very key so that you don't have any kind of injuries. That being said, if you feel like taking water, you can just put a bottle of water by your side. As you exercise, if anything feels really uncomfortable, please take a break. Take some deep breaths. Don't push yourself too hard. If you feel ready, you can join again and continue to exercise, or you can do this at a later time. If you feel dizzy, if you bend your head, anything that just makes you feel a bit off, stop immediately and take a couple of breaths. If you feel you can come back, fine. If not, you can skip entirely. All right, so today we're just, like I said, letting loose and just getting ready to receive God's abundance. All right, so I want you to stand. We're not using the mats. Okay, I'm sorry, the trainers. We're just wanting to use our feet to just stay grounded. The Bible says, be grounded and rooted. So that's what we're doing, grounding and rooting. This place is rugged, so I don't have a mat, obviously, but you can get a mat if you so desire, or else it's fine. So standing hip width distances apart, I want you to just open your hands. Keep your shoulders back down. Make sure you're breathing in and out. Just inhale, exhale. All right, hands down and just inhale. You can close your eyes and exhale. Just take a deep breath in and exhale. Remember, you're here, so be present and stay intentional. Inhale, exhale. So take a couple of breaths. This time around, go with your own breath, your rhythm. Inhaling and exhaling. Remember, you're firmly rooted and grounded. Inhale and exhale. One more breath in, out. Now gently swing both hands all the way up, swinging both hands all the way up and coming down. So I'm going to show you from the side. As you come down, you're taking your butt to the back, you're keeping your knees soft, and then you're just coming all the way down. And then tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your hands all the way up, and then exhale, come back down. Drop your head, tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, lifting all the way up, staying loose, and exhale, coming back down. Oh. And then what I want you to do, you can come to a halfway lift. See that your back is flat, so don't hunch your back this way. Keep your back flat. Keep your head parallel to the floor. Hold it there. Remember, this is about staying loose yet grounded. Releasing yourself to all that you can be, do, and have in God's plan for your life. So just stay here. This helps you to be strong, grounded, and rooted. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and coming back all the way up. Inhaling and exhaling. We're doing that one more time. But this time around, I want you to step back, step your right leg backward. Okay, so you're stepping backward this way. So your left knee is over your ankle. Your right heel is up, only your toes on the floor. Make sure you pull your belly button in towards your spine. Stay tall and strong. Now lift your hands all the way up, inhaling. As you inhale, exhale, just let it out to the side. One more time, stay strong, inhaling. And exhale out. Last one now, you're going to inhale, come back to center, and then do a twist to the opposite side. That's it. So you're staying tall. Pull your belly button in towards your spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, and gently release. Bring your leg back. Standing tall, inhaling. And as you exhale, coming down, stepping your left leg backward. That's it. Staying tall, remember to zip and pull in. And then inhale, lift your hands all the way up. Exhale, open up. Lift your hands all the way up. And you're saying, Lord, I'm open to whatever you want from me this year. Lifting all the way and opening up. And then twist to the other side, inhaling and exhaling. Pull your belly button in towards your spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, and gently release. Come back to center and lifting your hands all the way. Alrighty. Bring your hands to your heart center. Now I just want you to inhale. One way to release. As you exhale, take your hands and your legs wide. And now what I want you to do is I want you to do like the cat and cow. So I'll show you from the side again. So you're hunching and then you're arching all the way. So when you hunch, bring your chin to your chest and then you arch. You might hear your back snap. It's perfectly normal. Inhale. This is one way to just release. Release yourself, opening up. So back to the middle. What I want you to do now is take your right shoulder and press in. Then take your head away. Inhaling and exhaling. Come back to center. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. Turning in. Inhale, exhale. And coming back. So we're going to do that one more time. Turn in. Take your head away. And come back to center. One last time. In. Take your head away. Ooh. And come back to center. Now I want you to tuck your chin in. Come. And then just gently roll up to standing. So now I want you to inhale, lift both hands all the way up. As you exhale, you're lifting your right leg up, placing it in. So you may want to grab something to support you and you extend out. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. And if you can, look to the other side for 5, 4, 3, 2, and gently come back to center. So doing the same thing on the other side, inhaling, lifting both hands all the way up. And lifting your left leg and place it in. Grab something to keep you steady for 5, 4, 3, 2, coming back to center. 1, and stay here. Lift both hands all the way up, inhaling. Now what I want you to do is to lift your right leg up. Now take it to the back. Okay, so I'll show you from the side. So you take your leg to the back, flexing your feet. Don't keep it this way, pull it in. Your arms by your side. Now, squeeze your shoulders towards each other. Try to go down a bit, but stay up here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're doing the same thing on the other side, lifting both hands all the way up. Inhaling, lift your leg as you exhale, pressing backward, extending. Hold your feet in, squeeze your shoulders to the back, palms facing the floor for 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now we're going to stand tall, inhaling, lifting both hands all the way up. Place your right feet by your left ankle. Remember, standing tall through 2021 because you are like a tree planted by the rivers. Your leaves will bear fruit, and even when the wind comes and all the challenges in 2021, you're standing tall. So what I want you to do is reach and stretch, pull your belly button in towards your spine, and you can just say, I am like a tree planted by the rivers of water. Inhale and exhale and let it out. Whew. So we're going to do one more on the other side. Taking your left feet by your right ankle, inhaling, lifting both all the way up. Just inhale, reach. Now what I want you to do is just gently open up your hands, pull your belly button in towards your spine. Inhale. If you want to close your eyes, you can challenge yourself for a little bit, and with that smile and that assurance that you have opened up and you've opened yourself up to all that God has in store for you in 2021 and beyond. Take a deep breath in and out. Now bring your hands to your heart center. Just take a couple of breaths in and out. And out. Close your eyes if you may. Breathe in and out. Just tip in, and then you can release with an ah. One breath in and out. Open your eyes. And this is the point where I love to say peace and blessings, so we can bow down together and say peace and blessings. God bless you.